Connecting QuickBooks, especially online, to Shopify automates the sync of sales, orders, products, inventory, payments, and fees, reducing manual data entry. Using the official Shopify connector by QuickBooks, recommended for QuickBooks Online. Log into your Shopify admin. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for QuickBooks Online, Shopify Connector by QuickBooks, or Connector by QuickBooks. Click Install and authorize the required permissions. Sign in with your Intuit or QuickBooks Online credentials and select the company file. Configure settings, map accounts, sales income, fees, taxes, shipping, refunds. Choose how orders appear, sales receipts or invoices. Set inventory sync direction and match products by SKU or name. Select the bank account where Shopify payouts deposit. Review and enable auto-sync or sync manually. Test with a few orders. The connector is typically included with QuickBooks Online. You can review transactions before they post.